Your credit is based on various factors, and after reviewing your history, I'm sorry to say you've been denied.
Denied? You gotta be shitting us.
There's gotta be some mistake. I have a mortgage that I pay on time.
I understand, Mr. Vega, but like I said, there's other factors. You've opened up another credit line, which you're completely maxed out on.
Look, Mr. Guillermo Gomez, my friend Bernie, this is his second liver surgery in 6 months. We have 10 prescriptions that we have to fill every 2 weeks.
Nobody move! Listen up! I want everybody on the floor! I want your palms flat on the ground! That means you too, old man!
Hey, damn, Frank. Man, why don't you watch what you're doing, man?
I'm sorry, Bernie, it was an accident.
Hey! What the hell are you doing?
It cost me $190 to refill this goddamn prescription.
Oh, it cost you $190. I want you to know that came out of my disability check.
Oh, now, you gonna hold that over my head now. I see how it works now. It's tit for tat, huh?
No, it's only tit for tat when tat actually does something for tit.
You one ungrateful asshole, you know that?
Screw you!
Wrong move, asshole.
On the ground now!
Oh! These nuts!
Using only a walker and an autographed baseball, 2 elderly men managed to stop a robbery in progress.
Y ahora, en el centro de la ciudad, tenemos a 2 jubilados que han parado el robo de un banco. Es el caso de los héroes más improbables.
So I hope the bank ultimately gave you a loan.
Nope, but they gave us something else.
A goddamn certificate for a job well done. That's just some shit. Look at me, man. I'm prettier than Denzel. Shit. What's that?
Rosario.
She like in Arizona?
It's Florida. Yeah. She's doing all right.
Sorry, man.
No, it's wonderful, man. I'm really happy for her. Rosario's got a really good job, and Julie's going to a much better school. I'm really happy for her. Hello.
You cheating on me, Frank? Because I'll be damned if you the toughest man to get in touch with.
Carmen, mi amor, what's happening?
Oh, nothing much. Besides the fact that I'm getting married.
What?
Yes, his name is Jeffrey. We met 6 weeks ago. We fit together like molasses and pie. I've never connected with someone like this before, Frank.
Oh, that's great. I can't wait to meet him.
Well, you're going to get your chance this weekend.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. And you and Green Machine are in my wedding party. Pack your things, boys. You coming down to Baton Rouge.
That's wonderful, Carmen, and we would love to be there, but, you know, right now, Bernie and I are going through some financial difficulties.
Shut your pie hole, Franklin. You're not gonna have to pay for anything, cheap ass. Daddy's picking up the tab.
You know what, that's really generous of your father, but...
But nothing, Vega. I already emailed you your flight arrangements. This is a paid vacation for you boys. So pack up your damn fanny pack and bring your asses down here before I fly out there and drag you by your earlobes.
Don't agree with me one bit, man.
I told you, fish in an airplane, and they don't mix.
Yeah, gotta hit the bathroom. Son of a bitch. Hey, little lady. What you got for dessert?
At this point in my life, I just don't have time for relationships. But I do have time for one-nighters, though. Are you open to one-nighters, Bernie?
One-nighters. Two-nighters. However long it takes.
Excuse me, sir, but you're going to have to return to your assigned seat.
This is my assigned seat.
Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Come on, man. Give me a break. It's been a pleasure.
Okay.
Cock-blocking son of a...
Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our descent to Baton Rouge, local time is 3 p.m. and temperature is a cool 65 degrees.
Nothing like the smell of the deep south. Is that us?
I don't think there's another Vega Pope in Louisiana.
Gentlemen, my name is Hung. May I take your bags, please?
I got this. Hold on, please. I got...
Sir, I insist.
Hey, shit, you can take mine.
After you, sir.
Boy, I can get used to this.
It's cold. Pick the best out. Soon as they enter my glow, I'm like the U.S. to a British shit. I'm still in the show. Like a step in my lane. Trace every step that I'm taking. I'm headed right to the top until I'm famous. My words are drawn. You stare at in amazement. You pray that I fall. I'm sorry that I made it. Know what the state of being or jaded feels like. But a perception matters more than real life. Your dream car takes space in my yard. Got investments in Mars while you shoot for the stars. Look, look at how we shine. This is the life. House on the heat. This is the life. Counting no bills. This is the life. This is the life. Look at how we shine. This is the life. House on the heat. This is the life. Counting no bills. This is the life. Yeah. Picture this, taking off the whole summer. When bill collectors call, you must have the wrong number. Shows overseas, they got love for me, but best believe I'm touring Belize just for me. Oh. I'm getting it, my grind is relentless. Forgetting how to use the word budget in a sentence. They all trying to fit in where I get in. I'm flying out to unknown settings. Look at how we shine. This is the life. House on the heat. This is the life. Counting no bills. This is the life. This is the life. Look at how we shine. This is the life. House on the heat. This is the life. Counting no bills. This is the life.
Forecast cloudy and windy today with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Temperature dropping from 59 degrees this afternoon. Cloudy and continuing wind overnight with a low of 57. Cloudy with a few sunny breaks and not as warm today, a high of 53. With the winds from the northwest at
Oh, come on.
it's currently 50 degrees.
With the Washington Monument in the background, the president has just arrived off of the helicopter. He's coming from Camp David. He's spent some time with a gathering on the White House lawn. This is a
Oh, Christ.
Hey!
Give me the purse.
Fuck you!
Click it a ticket, asshole.
Take care of this shit.
Boy, they're growing pretty big here in Baton Rouge, huh? day. Wow. Carmen's parents live here?
Yes, sir.
Reminds me of a vacation home.
All right, finally, now we can get this party started. Oh!
Damn, you look good, girl.
Now, you boys had your chance. I'm a taking woman now, okay? Come on in. I want to introduce you to my mama and daddy, all right?
Damn, baby, if I knew you had this much money, I would have proposed to you 6 months ago.
Mama, daddy, I want you to meet Frank and Bernie.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, welcome, gentlemen.
Thanks.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
And thank you for bringing us out here.
Yeah, very generous of you. It's our pleasure.
Oh, Carmen, you didn't tell me how handsome they were.
Hey, girl, take it easy.
Hey, guys.
Oh, my goodness. Baby, what happened? Oh.
It was just Kyle and his buddies.
Earl, do you see this?
Baby, just a little innocent roughhousing. Boys will be boys. He'll be just fine. Son, let me introduce you to your sister's friends from California, Bernie and Frank.
What's up, guys?
Sister?
Yep, he's my brother from another mother. Mama had that little in vitro thing. We think the egg and the sperm got a little mixed up.
Felt all the same to me.
Either way, we love us some little Ronnie.
Well, gentlemen, welcome. Now, let me show you to your room.
My, oh, my, Earl. This house must have cost you a pretty penny.
Didn't cost me a dime.
Say what?
Hey, it's a family estate passed down from generation to generation. It was given to my great-great-granddaddy post-Civil War as part of the agrarian reform for black farmers. Little did anybody know that this house was sitting on mineral reserves, including oil, which turned our family into millionaires overnight.
Damn. Carmen's a bitch, Robert E. Lee.
Ain't it the truth? Hope you guys don't mind sleeping in the same room. We got a lot of guests staying over, so the house is kind of full.
Hey,
huh?
I didn't know you were in the military.
Oh, yeah. Spent some time in Nam many, many years ago. I don't even know who that guy is anymore. There we go. Well, everything ought to be here, but fellas, if there's anything else at all that you need, please don't hesitate to ask.
What time you sending up the ladies?
After midnight.
Why so late?
Fellas, I just want to say thank you for watching over my little girl while she was in L.A. It means a lot.
Carmen's a special girl.
Oh, no. Oh, rehearsal dinner's in less than an hour. You guys got to get dressed. Now, I took the liberty of hanging up a couple suits for you in the armoire. I think we got your right sizes. All
The entire state of Louisiana. Maybe they're just popular or something.
Gentlemen, can I tempt your palate to some of Louisiana's finest mint juleps?
Don't mind if I do. Wow, I've never seen a drink with a plant growing out of it.
Well, that's not a plant, sir. Those are mint sprigs. Very refreshing. Enjoy.
Mint sprigs. Here's two.
Straight out of the pages of GQ. Oh. Damn, you boys look like fine Southern gentlemen.
Hey, baby.
There you go. Girl, I can't leave you for 2 minutes without someone hitting on you.
Oh, baby, I want you to meet Frank and Bernie. Boys, this is my Jeffrey.
Gentlemen, it's an honor to finally meet you. You must be Frank.
Pleasure.
You must be Green Machine.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Get yourself a wonderful woman.
Oh, I know. I'm blessed. She's done something good in the past life to deserve her.
Isn't he cute?
Jeffrey!
Looks like I'm being summoned. Excuse me, gentlemen. Sweetheart,
Nice guy.
No one has ever made me feel the way he does, and I've never been happier.
What happened to him? You don't mind me asking.
He was in Afghanistan on the front lines. He took an IED for a buddy.
I'm sorry, Carmen.
Nothing to be sorry about. That man lives his life like he's standing 7 feet tall.
I want to thank you all for coming, and now I'd like to say a few words. You know, it's tough for a father to watch his daughter grow and then to give her away to a stranger. Wait a minute. That's the speech from her first wedding. Here it is. It's tough for a father to watch his daughter grow, give her away to some stranger, get her back, and then give her away again. But it makes it easier when you have a future son-in-law like Jeffrey here. Hmm? Your mother and I wish you both the very best.
Hey, okay, a toast right out there.
Yeah.
Carmen and Jeffrey, we want to wish you all the best in the world forever.
May you always have happiness, love, and you know what else. You know that.
Hey, Frank! Frank! God damn, man! How could you be sleeping at a time like this? Where's Carmen? That's what I've been trying to tell you. Somebody took her.
I don't know. Like I said, we were sleeping and they just barged in and took her. That's all I remember. Jesus Christ, shouldn't you all be out looking for these bastards?
Okay, look, just calm down. You need to understand this is all part of the process.
I don't think you understand. My fiance's been kidnapped.
Damn it, we told you. We never heard a thing until Frank started yelling. By the time we got out there, they were gone.
I want my child.
Can you give us any type of description?
Well, I couldn't make out much in the dark, but
There's ski masks, and there was a lot of them.
How many would you say?
8, 10, maybe more. Come on, man, how could you not know? Or maybe because it was pitch black and they all kept coming at me and I didn't have any help, Bernie.
Hey, so now you gonna blame me for it, huh?
Okay, gentlemen. Let's not bicker. It's not gonna help us get her back.
You are gonna find her. I mean, it's a pretty small town.
239,139 to be exact, Mr. Vega. Just a tad bit bigger than Mayberry.
Okay, Chief, well, I think we got everything here.
Follow up with Wigram on them surveillance cameras.
I'm on it.
Chief Broussard, I don't want the next time I see my daughter to be on the side of a milk carton. You hear me? No, I don't care what it takes or how much money I got to spend. You got to get her back, and you got to get my daughter back now.
Telephone call from Miss Morgan.
Now is not the time.
He says he has Carmen.
Is he on hold?
Yes.
We got this thing tracked. Take the call.
Hello.
Let's cut to the chase, Mr. Morgan. $5 million for your daughter. You'll have 32 hours upon which I'll contact you to reveal a designated meeting location. You mess up any of my instructions, and she's dead.
I don't know. It could be anyone. You know, a black man with money is not a recipe for popularity.
You know, whoever did this really planned it out. This was organized.
Anyone have it out for you or been following you around lately?
Of course. I get people all the time trying to get me to invest in businesses or sell this house. Man, I can't believe this is happening. This is my baby girl. She's supposed to be getting married on Sunday.
Oh, we need your help. This is a small town. We don't get too many of these types of crimes around here. But I know you boys have experience with this back in L.A.
Not exactly.
We need your help. We need you to find Carmen and bring her back home.
Miss Morgan, you have the police are on this.
The police aren't going to do anything. They got their heads so far up their asses they can't see squat. We need you to. There's any hope in me getting my Carmen back.
Guys, look what I found by the side gate.
Buford? Who names their kid Buford? Let me see. Ronald found this on the north side of the estate.
Now, how my people overlook this? Sloppiness really give me the malabones. We'll check into it. Might be one of my boys. Thank you, gentlemen.
Oh. You must have some idea who's behind this.
Let me tell you something. This ain't Los Angeles. This is Baton Rouge. We don't go in for that Canale vigilante crap y'all be pulling down now. And if you even think about getting involved in this case, I hear you put even one nose hair in this case. I'm gonna lock y'all up for the rest of y'all golden years. You gentlemen enjoy the rest of y'all afternoon.
Let's go get those son of a bitches.
Duck it one for cover. When you hear that, duck it one for cover. When you hear that, duck it one for cover. When you hear that, 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 flush them out quick, just like Drano. Keep doing your thing, it's the same old, same old. Might blow the top off, call it volcano. We in the bayous, no Sandro Pedro. Shooting up these suckers like they duck hunters. No Toyotas, but they four runners. Feed them rabbit food, now they all doubles. When it goes off, listen to how it stutters. A deadly combo, running like the capo too. Bam, 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 fire like charcoal. We soldiers, shoulder to shoulder. Pura balacera till it's over. When you hear that, duck it one for cover. When you hear that, duck it one for cover. When you hear that, duck it one for cover.
I'm just gonna make this clear right now. No running.
What?
Now, I'm gonna do all the ass kicking you want, but I'm not chasing after shit.
Such a bitch.
We're not in LA anymore.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Woo. What I'm talking about right here. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Take you where you want to go.
Goddamn kidney stones kicking my ass again.
Falling apart piece by piece, Chief.
Hey, good news, I still got my peanuts. Hello there, little lady.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah. Last time I saw this many white people in one place, it set fire to a cross on my Dacadra.
Bernie, it's good for you to get out of your comfort zone. Meet some people.
I'm not these type of people. And then Mama always said, don't be so close-minded. Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. We just want to ask you one question. Go ahead, Frank.
Yeah, we're looking for a Mr. Buford. Does anybody here know his whereabouts?
I do.
Hey. Hey, fellas. How you doing? Looks like you healing up real nicely.
Hell yeah, much better than y'all do before we fuck y'all up.
Take a seat. Die, asshole!
Now, Q-tip looking motherfuckers, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Where's Buford? I said, no running.
Hey, Mr. Buford. Pleasure to make your acquaintance. How'd you get in here without your VIP card? Now, where's Carmen?
Fuck off!
Oh, okay, fuck off.
Get the hell back.
I don't know, man. I swear to God. I ain't got access to the inner circle, man. Landry does. Landry knows.
So where can I find this Mr. Landry?
Downtown, man. Up the road, it's on 7th and Convention. It's a big white loft, top floor, you can't fucking miss it.
I really want to thank you for your cooperation. I mean it.
Ronnie, what's up, buddy?
Hey, I was just actually running late.
No, hey, I understand. You're busy, man. Got places to go. He's got deals to make. I get it. Listen, I was gonna ask you a favor as a friend. My car's in the shop, so I'm gonna borrow yours for a couple weeks. Cool with that?
My car? This week, we have family in town, and I'm playing chauffeur.
Oh, yeah, no, hey. I totally get it. I get that. Listen, either you give me this car, or I'll beat the shit out of you. It's your choice.
Hey,
Boys got somewhere you gotta be?
Yeah. We're all set.
Keep it moving.
Unless you gonna let my ass go, I don't want shit from you.
Is that any way to treat your host? Now I done got you them nice white shoes to keep your feet warm.
Look, you Duck Dynasty looking motherfucker. If you think for 1 minute you gonna get away with this shit, you dead wrong.
All right, then. I'll keep it warm for you.
Those goddamn old bastards. They just came in and roughed up Buford.
Pete, you mind taking that someplace else?
Yeah, sure.
How in the hell Buford let two old sons of bitches rough him up?
I don't know, he's a goddamn mama's boy.
I told y'all to follow them.
Why do all bad guys got nice places?
Same reason they all got beautiful women.
What was he talking about? They don't all have beautiful women. Hey, little lady, we're here to see Landry. Is he around?
Landry doesn't live here anymore, so get lost.
Can you tell us where we might find him?
Get your foot out of my door.
Come on, little girl. No sense of you acting all up. I think she loosened the ground.
Wait, now hold it. There's no need for violence. We just want to talk.
Look here, lady. We're gentlemen. We don't hit women.
Now, all we want to know is where Landry is.
Fuck you!
Not till you tell me where Landry is.
Where is he?
He works at Buckets. It's a barbecue place just outside of town. He'll be there tomorrow morning. Now get the fuck out of here.
It's so soon? I thought we had a beautiful connection. Aside from your foot in my kidney. Damn. You see any internal bleeding? Damn.
What's up, buddy? So happy I ran into you here, man.
Listen, Kyle,
Listen, I'm gonna need like $20 or so for some snacks.
I don't have that.
Oh, I think you do, Moneyball.
No, not really. I would.
Hand it over. before I beat you senseless.
Yeah. Right.
Why don't you get a job?
Who the hell are you?
Friends of Ronald. If I'm not mistaken, they're hiring here.
You've got to be kidding me, right? You got your grandpa in here to protect you. Don't you two got some early bird buffet to hit up, Kyle? Yeah, if I were you two, I'd back the hell up right now before I... Kyle, what? It's the badasses. What? Badasses from the bank. Oh, snap, it is. Wow. Whoa, we are huge fans.
Kyle.
Dad.
What's going on here?
Hey, nothing. Just having a conversation with Ronnie and the badasses. You know who these guys are, right?
Yeah, we've met. Gentlemen, Mom wants us home for dinner before 6, so we gotta get a move on.
Okay. We're all cool.
Good evening.
I appreciate what y'all did, but I can't have you interfering in my son's business. I'm trying to steer him away from violence and threats, and instead use diplomacy as a tool to confront conflict.
How's that diplomacy working out for you?
Just fine. No offense, gentlemen, but I am not a fan of your tactics. Think there's better ways to solve problems.
Explain to me, Earl. How do you go from being in the Marines to being a pacifist?
After you've seen what I've seen, you never want to be involved with violence again.
Jeffrey, hey, how you doing?
Hey, son.
I can't believe this is even happening.
We got it covered, Jeff.
I can't stop thinking about what they're doing to her right now.
Calm down, son. Take it easy. Why don't you try to get some sleep?
You think I can sleep at a time like this?
And what was that?
Hey, you'll have to excuse me. I think I just knocked over one of Mr. Morgan's planners on the way in. For some reason, he's got it out for you two. You boys need to just stay away from this case.
I have a problem staying away from something I know nobody's doing anything about.
Who said nobody's doing anything about this case? Huh?
I can assure you we are doing everything we can. And we'll get Carmen back.
That's bullshit, man.
Excuse me?
People above you are making a mockery of your justice system.
Look, Mr. Vega, I am all for what you two are about. My advice is just to leave this alone and let us do our job, okay?
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, go on in. Sit down.
I just wanted to thank you for helping me out.
That was nothing. They just needed a little straightening out.
I want you to have this. This was my father's. Carried around with him during the war. It's pure titanium. This saved his life. Look, you can even see the bullet mark.
Ronald, that's beautiful, but I can't keep this.
Please. I want you to have it.
Thank you.
Can I ask you a question, Frank?
Yeah.
Did you always have it in you to be a hero?
I don't know.
I'm just wondering if it's something you just have or you don't.
You've got it in you. You just gotta be true to yourself. And keep doing the right thing.
All right now, cut out that little house on the prairie shit and get the hell to sleep. Shit. Tell you how many times she accidentally rubbed her elbow against my nuts.
That's a big call. Good old Southern hospitality.
Okay now. Promise, if I get out of this, I'm going to Jenny Craig. Longbeard. Moonshine.
You need a little bit more black pepper in there, and then you got something.
Okay.
What we got here? They're not bad. You need a touch more paprika in that rub, though.
Thank you.
What the hell you put in this, Couillon?
Who the hell you calling Couillon, Couillon?
Who the hell is you?
Where's Carmen?
You didn't answer my friend's question. Where's Carmen?
I married my cousin. Damn. Hello, 1988.
All right, cochons, who's gonna die first? Where is she? You gonna hear him? God, you in there? Okay. Now where is she? You go to hell, son? All right. Now where's Carmen? Hey, fuck you. Okay. I tell you, she don't where to go, man. Ingrid West, please. You're gonna give me the address and your car keys. Just take it. Check the roof.
peeping Tom motherfucker.
This here door was...
Just back that ass up out of here.
Get me, Harris.
Please enter your destination.
I guess fat guys with big beards also have nice trucks.
I don't know how to get back.
What?
I pressed in the wrong address, and I don't know how to go back and delete it.
Try pressing delete.
Where's delete?
On the keyboard. Hey, no need. We got some help. Thank goodness, fellas, we had no idea where we were going.
Hey, put your hands over your head.
Hey, hold on a second. What the hell's going on?
Shut your mouth and put your hands in the air.
Well, well, well. Fancy meeting you fellas out here in the middle of nowhere. I gotta tell you, it ain't the safest place for out-of-towners like you.
You low-life son of a bitch. Try.
What happened?
Turns out they weren't willing to help with directions.
Well, rise and shine, Mr. Vega.
Where are you taking us?
It's a surprise. But I can tell you this much. The view is something special. I've been going on and on, trying to get you boys not to get involved, but you wouldn't listen. Now, it's time to pay the price.
Look, homie, we're gonna give you one last chance to redeem yourself.
Yeah.
You let us go, and we won't kill you when this is all over.
What you been smoking, bruh? The jig is up. Y'all lose.
Never gonna get away with it.
I'm the police chief. I'm the shit around here. Here we go, gentlemen. I'm about to find y'all a nice little piece of private swampland to drop y'all into. I wish you two a bon voyage. C'est la vie.
Hello.
Reynolds Oil Refinery, East Gate. 6 o'clock. Your wife brings the money. Alone. We see anyone else there? Your daughter dies.
Yeah, now, hang on one second. Hello? Hello? Excuse me. I'm looking for Chief Broussard.
He said he'd be back in 20 minutes.
I'll wait.
Any of you boys want to play canasta?
We could use a third. I don't know how the hell we gonna get out of this.
It don't look like they're passing out any parachutes.
Son of a bitch! Ah!
Buddy, you all right?
This is real bad.
Hey, he needs some help, man. He had a liver transplant, and his body's rejected it. If we don't hold him down, he'll choke on his tongue.
Son of a...
Come on now, we need some help. Night, homie.
That's great. You know how to fly one of these things.
Come on. I've seen Top Gun 100 times.
We need to figure out how we're gonna land this baby.
See if there's an instruction manual in the glove compartment.
Glove compartment? Mexican, this ain't your daddy's El Dorado. Shit.
You know what? This looks like something.
Hey, Jesus Christ, man, you just can't start blindly pulling on shit. God damn, man. My boy knows how to fly a plane. Okay, now, I think we need to slow it up a bit, okay?
That's the part I'm not too sure about.
That shit ain't working, man.
I'm trying everything.
Try harder, man. That shit ain't working, shit.
Thank you for flying Mexican Airlines.
No reception. Where the hell you going? I want to get help.
Out in the middle of nowhere? We're probably 50 miles away from anything, man. I ain't walking.
Well, then stay here.
Oh, man, you kidding? What about all these damn gators and werewolves and all that shit? All right, hold on.
Oh. Bernie, look, I ain't got time for this shit. Now you either coming or staying. But you can't have it both ways. What the hell's that? No matter if you're in L.A. or Baton Rouge, everybody has goddamn rush hour traffic. Now, what the hell are we supposed to do now? Use the shoulder, homie. Security tighter than the Ugandan consulate. How the hell we gonna get in?
Why you always gotta be sweating everything? We got this.
What the hell you boys think y'all doing?
Lost a contact lens. Yeah. Let's see. Found it. Oh, good. You got it yet? Got it. Yeah, I guess we'll be going.
Freeze, assholes. I know you. You looks two old fuckers.
Yeah. That's
Oh, shit. Man, you old geezers are badass.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Yeah. We all real big fans.
All right.
Unfortunately, I'm still gonna have to kill y'all.
Excuse me? What?
You boys been trespassing. Trespassing grounds for shooting.
Oh, now look, there's no reason to shoot two old guys.
Sorry, bros. Just doing my job.
Lights out, ho.
What about diplomacy, Earl?
Screw diplomacy. Now let's go get my daughter.
Any ideas? That one. How the hell are we supposed to know where she is? something tells me we found her. Any suggestions? Not one.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're all.
Well, hell, it's about damn time.
You know how he likes to make an entrance.
Daddy, what are you doing here?
What you think? You okay? Okay, now, hey, we gotta get out of here now. We're gonna need this.
Let's go get those motherfuckers.
In time of war on my front line, army fatigues, let them know that it's go time. Never fall back, don't fall behind, never be blind. Read between the lines, never testify, never suicide, never dislike, never show your cries. 100 right here, do it on the fly. We ain't perfect either, but Lord knows we try. Take actions, reactions, ain't no hype. You gotta come out blazing in the heat of the night. You ain't ready for war, but we ready for war. You best be careful what you asking for. What it brands it for, kill the source of the core. Shoot it up, infantile, cause we ready for war. You ain't ready for war, but we ready for war. You best be careful what you asking for. What it rains and pours, kill the source of the core. Shoot it up, infantile, cause we ready for war. Elimination, join forces like a congregation. Ain't no way of holding back till the day you make it. Always gotta try and prove yourself, demonstration. Try to cut them up real quick like a Haitian. Show no fear here when it comes to confrontation.
Take that, bitches! Very impressive. Drop your weapons. Drop your weapons! Jeffrey, what the hell are you doing?
I know this is all quite confusing. The truth of the matter is, the plan got derailed a bit by your boys here.
Jeffrey, if this is your way of eloping, you should have came clean before my daddy started signing checks. Can't get a deposit back now.
I always loved your sense of humor.
Hey! Put the gun down.
I'm not going to hurt her unless somebody tries to play hero. I'm moving to the other room.
Now!
You too, Lovey. Off you go.
Who are you?
You had no intention of marrying her, did you?
Well, she was not a wonderful young lady, and if the circumstances were different, who knows? But this is a business opportunity that my cousin and I couldn't pass up.
Your cousin? As in the police chief?
Yes. You will be correct, Mr. Vega. Pretty sharp you are.
Just leave my daughter with us. I'll see that you get your money.
Oh, I wish I could take you up on it all. But for some reason, I don't believe you. In addition, we've got big plans for Carmen to help us get out of the country.
You son of a bitch!
Calm down, though.
We're gonna get you.
I highly doubt that, Mr. Vega. You see, this is the end of the line for you lads. With that, I must wish you a heartfelt goodbye. Lucas! Come on, Bobby. Off we go. Bobby.
Oh, shit.
Looks like we'll have some barbecue tonight. I hope they don't like dark meat. It's too tight. They're too tight. Come on, my man. You gotta have something in that fanny pack of yours. My hands are tied.
We're screwed, fellas. No way out of this one.
Hey, come on, let's go to Louisiana. A little vacation. Get away from it all.
Oh, now it's all my fault.
You bet your ass it's your fault.
Can't you ever take responsibility for anything?
You hadn't pushed us out here. I wouldn't have been
Enough! Can't a man even die in peace?
I'm sorry, man. No. It was a good ride.
It was.
Hey, you guys need a lift?
It's Shorty. What the hell?
Come on, go.
Saved our lives. My white baby boy? Huh? You saved our lives!
Yeah, well, how did you know we were here?
I didn't. I hid in the back of the car.
And that gives us exactly 22 minutes to make it to that Reynolds Oil refinery before Mom makes the exchange.
22 minutes?
You got it.
That place is 45 minutes away.
And you better step on it, kid.
They're gonna have a whole damn army with them. We're gonna need some help, man.
Ronald, give me your cell phone.
Jeffrey?
Hello, Lois. I know this isn't what you expected. But if you just hand over the money, I'll get you calming.
You scum-sucking pig.
Hand over the money.
You go screw yourself.
I admire your courage, but it's not worth it.
Not giving you nothing till you hand her over.
Suit yourself.
Ah!
Some geriatric ass.
Come on, get out of the car.
Yeah, you done real good, baby.
Woo, look at this. Baby boy to the rescue. Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Oh.
Damn cops are late even in Louisiana. Hands in the air!
Jesus Christ, Jeffrey? How the hell you let this thing get this far out of hand? Son of a bitch. I believe this belongs to me.
Hey!
Mr. Vega, you done gone and messed everything up. And now, everybody's gonna have to die for it. Starting with you. You badass.
Freeze! Drop it, Julius!
Oh, Pete, now what you doing here?
It's over! Drop the gun!
Boy, you done got yourself into something way above y'all heads. Now, if I was you, I'd go back home. Take your little boys with you.
Put the gun down, Julius! Put your hands above your head, now!
That's not gonna happen, boy! Best step the hell off. Cause I'm about to... Fuck back! Get the fuck back! Yeah! Oh.
You shot my fanny pack!
Frank, you okay?
Damn, that fanny pack saved your life. What?
It's Ronald's watch.
Hey, take a licking and keep on ticking.
Damn, Green Machine. Is that you or a lead pipe in your pocket? Stay down, bitch.
Well, I guess that's about it.
Oh, come on, boys. You sure don't want to chill out here a few more days.
We'll make it worth your while.
Well, we'd love to, but Bernie's got a doctor's appointment first thing tomorrow morning.
All right, then. Bring it on in for the sweet time. You have no idea how grateful I am to both of you. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're gonna be all right.
Hell yeah. Who needs another man when I have you two?
You know you boys are welcome here anytime.
We got about 5 more minutes before you hit the road. Can I borrow you two for a moment?
Yeah.
All right. I'm deeply indebted to both of you. You brought my child back. Words can never express how much I appreciate that. But you gave me something else. For the first time in 30 years, guys, 30 years, I feel alive again. And because of that, I found my true purpose. I want to bring justice back to those places that have been completely drained of it. And I want to do it with the two of you. Think of it as 3 old guys kicking ass.
Sounds like a great idea, Earl, but, you know, Bernie and I have other responsibilities.
Oh, Frank, I'm aware of that. I know you got your community center, and of course Bernie's got his liquor store. I'm not asking you to give that up. Look, I want to make it as easy as possible for both you guys. I will fund the entire operation, and I will put the both of you on salary. That way you won't have to worry about paying your bills, especially those medical bills.
You serious, man?
There's a liver transplant. So, what do you say, guys? You ready to clean up this country?
When you hear that, look at one for cover. When you hear that, look at one for cover. When you hear that.
Oh, Bernie.
is more to you than meets the eye. I must say, I'm intrigued.
As am I, Kate. As am I.
Excuse me, sir, but you're going to have to return to your assigned seat.
I'm just playing the game. We all in here trying to make it. We trying to escape, but these streets won't let us go. There's got to be a better way now. I've got to go find out, cause I can't keep playing. These streets won't let us grow.
Gotta find a way, searching for them better days. Even under pressure, I'ma hit them with a fadeaway. Just shining like the lights in Vegas, up in Mandalay. All you got in this life is your family. LA to Houston, Philly to Brooklyn. Going back and forth in this game like the ping pong. Big tank boss, I'm ghetto, I'm gooder. See more crack in the slums than a plumber. Line us with the bread, slick with the butter. But the streets is hotter than the Arizona summer. Black, brown, minority normally. But we just can't win against authority unless we realize we the majority. And we can change that history. My story, your story, many stories. Walk through hell just to get to the glory. Yeah.
Ooh, I'm just playing the game. We all in here trying to make it. We trying to escape, but these streets won't let us go. There's got to be a better way now. I've got to go find out, cause I can't keep playing. These streets won't let us grow.
If I had wings, I would fly. Blowing cushion, I'm high. See the judge, but never testify. I'm trying to make it out the ghetto, clarify from the boroughs to Hollywood Boulevard. It's the same everywhere, no matter who you are. All around the world, poverty strikes the poor. Rich stay rich, gotta kill it at the core. Need I say more? Dreams are cut short. News will report, sun's laid on the porch. Drugs import, and then they export. The poor buys more and they barely can afford it. Live, take your check and work a 9 to 5. Struggle day in, day out, no lie. Trying to do better, Lord knows I try. Only way to make it is if I supply. Damn.
Ooh, I'm just playing the game. We all in here trying to make it. We trying to escape, but these streets won't let us go. There's got to be a better way now. I've got to go find out, cause I can't keep playing. These streets won't let us grow.
When you hear that, duck and run for cover. When you hear that, duck and run for cover. When you hear that, duck and run for cover. When you hear that, 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 duck and running high, yeah, you better look for cover. Carry a lethal weapon and I call it Danny Glover. His favorite saying is blocka, 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 blocka. A bad motherfucker, no time for any suckers. Fly out from out of town, oh yeah, it's going down. Travel at the speed of sound, can you hear me now? We ain't in LA no more, we up in Baton Rouge. These sucker fish, they ain't got no blues clues. Esperanete for real, they ain't got suficiente. We armed to the teeth, no importa lo que sientes. Automatic spray, no fear in my face. All my soldiers yelling out, when you hear that, duck and run for cover. When you hear that, duck and run for cover. When you hear that, duck and run for cover. When you hear that, 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 flush them out quick, just like Drano. Keep doing your thing, it's the same old, same old. Might blow the top off, call it volcano. We in the bayous, no Sandro Pedro. Shooting up these suckers like they duck hunters. No Toyotas, but they 4Runners. Feed them rabbit food, now they all doubles. When it goes off, listen to how it stutters. A deadly combo, running like the capo. Too bad, bad, bad. Fire like charcoal. We soldiers, shoulder to shoulder. Pura balacera till it's over. When you hear